What's up, Royals? Welcome back to Tonetra's Garden. If you're new here, I'm Tonetra. This is my garden. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a huge harvest of tomatoes. We've just got an overload of tomatoes. We've got a couple of beans, and we have some peppers that I need to get harvested. So yeah, I'm just gonna take you along, show you what's going on. Let's get right into it. All right, so this is the Juliet tomato plant that I've been raving about. It is just loaded with tomatoes. So we need to get these off the plant because I am having some, what are those things? Stink bugs? We call them stink bugs, but I think there's a better name for them. They're trying to get to these tomatoes, so we got to get them off of the vine. Okay, so that's how it's looking. We've also got some zinnias popping up. Look at that. She is gorgeous. Through here we've got some jalapenos, if you can see that. We've got some beans. And you guys, look, I am so excited for beans. I'm not even, you know, y'all know I'm not good at growing beans, so this is exciting for me. And then over here on this sun sugar tomato, they have just went wild. I was actually thinking about pulling this plant out, but look how tall it is. I'm gonna have to get somebody up there to get my tomatoes down in a couple weeks, but we have a ton of tomatoes that we need to harvest. I will be saving seeds from this plant, but yummy sun sugar. I do prefer the sun sugar tomato over the sun gold. I feel like it is more it's a more vigorous plant, and it handles our Texas heat much better than the sun gold. So let me take you over to one of my pots over here that has some peppers on it, I believe. Oh, let's see what we've got. Okay, so this is my little blue pot. It has some beans trying to do something, but I think I see some peppers in here. Can we find any? Yep, there we go. So we'll harvest those. So I'm gonna try to get everything that I can. That looks like it's ready. One. Ooh, we got a big one here. Wow. Look at that. This tomato plant is going to be very happy. Oh, there's a huge spider. harvested from these few plants in my garden today. I have just tons of tomatoes, peppers. My favorite part about today's harvest was actually the green beans, because I told you guys, I don't know what it is about green beans, but they just don't grow for me. But I did get a few, so I'm excited about that. But as you can see, we still have plenty of tomatoes to harvest. You know, it's just never ending. It really is. So if you think you cannot grow in abundance in a small space, look what you can grow, you guys. So if you are interested in growing a small garden like mine, make sure that you check out my ebook. It's filled with everything that I wish I knew my first year gardening. It will help you get up and get growing, so check that out. If you like this type of content, give me a big thumbs up and consider subscribing. Woo! And a clip of the bump. You want to see Adonis?
Hi.
Hey! And I will see you in my next video. Bye, Royals.